Good evening everyone, I am Rishabh from KYOWA GETNER. Today we are going to present you a slightly senior model of KYOWA GETNER microscope. So yesterday we discussed this model, but today we are going to discuss a slightly senior model. This is Bioplus-XLB. This comes with a big head, that is 45-degree slider binocular head with wide field 10x and 18 mm field of view eyepieces. Then this comes with a quadruple nose piece which has four different semi-plan achromatic objectives which are 4x, 10x, 40x and 100x. Then this comes with a double plate coaxial mechanical stage that makes the stage very sturdy, double plate coaxial mechanical stage, and also a coaxial coarse and fine focus knobs. This also comes with a window in the arm, which means that this is very easy to carry. Then this comes with an overall very modern design, as you can see. And at the end, at the base, we have an LED illumination. This microscope has various possibilities of upgradation. First of all, the eyepieces, which are currently of 18 mm, can be converted into 20 mm. This can be also this can also have a trinocular tube, which means that a binocular model can be converted into a trinocular model. A 45 degrees slider head can be converted into a 30 degrees 30 degrees silent off head. Then optics, which are currently semi-plan achromatic, can be converted into plan achromatic or infinity plan achromatic. Likewise, we can also add battery backup. So this has numerous possibilities of upgradations. Again, this microscope is used in pathology, in microbiology, in cell culture, in histotechnology, and various other domains. Thank you.